Okay, first grade. So this week we're on to lesson number 9 of Code.org, and that's drawing gardens with loops. So I will go through a few of them with the students so that they could see how to do this one. So let's see over here. This is a puzzle called The Artist, and here what happens is whenever you move, this little person has a pencil. So if you move up, down, left, or right, he makes a design. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's have him go up a few times, and then click run. And then you see he draws. I could make him go to the left, a few times. And then I could have him go, anything that you like him to do. He can go up, he can go to the left, and then he can go, down. You can make a square, however you want to do it. I can go down 2 times, and then I could go to the right 2 times. I can make a square, however you want to do it. Wherever he moves, he draws because his pencil is down. He's got a little pencil going down. So wherever he goes, he draws. So I click run. You click finish, and I will skip the video. You could watch the video on your own, but we'll just do a few of these together here. The artist is trying to draw a line 6 times. Can you help? So he's got to go south to draw, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So you change your repeat loop to 6 times. Okay, I'll do one of the later ones for the students to see. Okay, now you have a little maze here, and it's a beautiful view with a garden here. Okay, so can you climb the vine? Well, what's the first thing? He's going to go up, and then he's going to go to the left. And let's just take a look up to the left, and then he's going to go up and to the left. So we have up to the left, up to the left, up to the left. And notice this, we're going over the blocks here, so they only want us to use 4 blocks. And it becomes a pattern, up to the left, up to the left. You see this is the same, up to the left, up to the left. It's exactly the same. So what we could do is we can do a repeat loop. Okay, so let's do this. Let's just try, you could experiment. Let's just try it 4 times, see how that goes. And you could make it faster if you go into this side. Okay, so let's try, maybe 6 times. You could just keep experimenting with your loops until you get them. Then let's try 7 times. Okay, we'll do a few more together. So this is a challenge puzzle, and let's take a look at this. We have our code already set up, so let's see how it goes. So that gets us all the way to here. And then what do we have to do next? We have to go, they gave us some down here. They gave us some code. So what are we going to do next? The next thing we're going to go is we're going to go to the west, and then we're going to go north. West into the north. So let's see how that part goes. So now it gets us all the way down here. We go west to the north, and then what do we do next? We're going to go west and south. West and south. Now notice they have the jump. If you do the jump, it doesn't do any writing, but we want to do the writing with the pencil, so we have to use the one with the pencil. Okay, so we fill our design like that, and we'll do a few more together. Okay, so now they gave us some code here, east, south, west, south, and notice this is a pattern. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go east, and then I'm going to go south, and then I'm going to go west again, and then I'm going to go south. So let's take a look how this goes. So we have our pattern developing, and notice this is exactly the same. Okay, east, south, west, south. It's exactly the same. So because it's the same, we can just use a repeat loop. And we put our repeat loop in there, and let's try it 3 times. Okay, and I'll just help you with the last one here, number 11. Actually, you could do the last one on your own, number 12. But I wanted to show you this one as well. Now this one, notice there's some parts where we don't want to draw. So what we'll do is we'll do west, and then we need a jump. We need to jump west. So let's take a look at that. You go west, and you jump. See, we have this part here we don't want to draw in the ocean, so we have to jump without drawing. And then we could just repeat this because it's a pattern. All right, so please complete this lesson in Code.org, and when you're doing it, make sure you sign in at Code.org so your progress saves.